What's up, what's up, what's up? What's up, guys? Your girl Ariana, that cute little brown girl, everybody with a little taster. And today I'm here with my special guest, my baby, Dan the man. You know my boo? Anyway, so y'all, we about to go ahead and get right into the video. We're not gonna keep y'all long and we're not gonna prolong it any further, but we do want to say like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Ari, Team Daniel, all day, every single time. As you can tell by the title, we are going to be cooking today. We are going to be making some lamb chops. Now today I'm going to show y'all our ingredients. We got some parsley, we got some garlic, onion powder, seasoning salt, some olive oil to cook it in, and then we have some Cajun seasoning. What? Because of the garlic?
Yes, and the onions.
Anyway, y'all, so we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. It is a little late, so we haven't ate dinner yet and we're hungry, right? It's giving hungry. Anyway, we're gonna wash our hands. Yours in the fridge. That's okay? Okay. So we're going to wash our hands, cook this meat, and let's go. So first thing you want to do is go ahead and get your meat out the package. I always rinse my meat off first just because it seems like the right thing to do.
What animal is this?
What?
What animal is this?
Why?
I was just asking what animal is this?
I want you to guess.
Cow.
You like cow, don't you? What if it was, you like lamb?
No, I wasn't excited with remember.
Lamb is still good. All right, y'all, so we just rinsed off and we just drying off our what's it called? I'm about to go ahead and warm up our stove.
Legs feel weird.
These not the legs, it's like, it's part of the rib.
What? Oh, but I know what kind of cow. It's a baby cow.
That's a good observation. All right, y'all, so now we're gonna go ahead and season our meat. I'm going in with my seasoning salt. And all of this, we're just gonna show y'all and we're gonna make it a cute little montage, so enjoy the show. All right, with our empty pan, we have now put it on the skillet and we have it on a medium heat. We got our water boiling because I don't know how to make actual rice, guys, so I'm putting the rice inside of the bag rice. It's giving lazy, but it's giving me, period. We're gonna always be authentic to us. And then we're gonna go ahead, grab that. We're gonna bring our lamb chops over here.
Are we gonna like pull it in there? Can I do it?
Yeah.
Be careful.
Yeah, be careful.
Wait, can I capture the steam?
What steam?
Do you think it's coming out?
No.
What?
Why do you need to touch the steam?
Do I pull a whole bunch?
Just a little bit.
Okay.
That's good.
Wait, and why is it moving?
Because it's a pan. Watch out. Put the top back on. Okay, y'all. So now, ooh. And go ahead and get our skillet popping and then add our meat. All right, y'all, so as y'all just seen, right now we're just waiting for the pan to heat up a little bit. Y'all, I am so hungry. When I say I am hungry, I mean I am so hungry. But I'm so excited because my baby and I have definitely been bonding while we cooking. I hope y'all are enjoying these videos with us together because we are enjoying giving it to you guys. I am not a professional cooking channel and we're not going to pretend that I am. I'm just taking y'all on this series with me as I am learning, trying new things, getting into the groove of cooking and trying new meals. And a lot of the times I just wing it. I don't really go off of recipes. I really just be winging it, what I think tastes good or what I've had before, and I've asked like, oh, what is that? And so if you're watching this video to learn how to cook, that's not it. I'm just showing y'all me cooking. Do y'all feel me? You know what I'm saying? So this is not a oh my gosh, what is Ari's recipe? Because half the time I'm probably following somebody else's recipe and then go tweak it later on down the line so it's mine, so my grandchildren be like, my mama make the best chili. And I do. Cause by that time, you're not gonna be able to find a YouTube video that I got it from, but I'm gonna have it in a cute little book. And I got it all planned out. Anyway, let's get back into the cooking.
Did I take a bath?
All right, y'all, here's the final product, y'all. Here is the lamb chops. We about to go ahead and eat our meal. I'm gonna taste.
Not lamb. You said it was cow. Or what is wrong with me?
But we are going to go ahead and taste this for y'all and let y'all know how it came out. Let me just let y'all know that we were supposed to eat this with some broccoli, carrots, and some rice. Y'all, why was I making the boil in the bag rice and still messed it up? I knew I was pushing it because of the pot that I was using, but when I say it did not come out good at all, Daniel said, "Mommy, this is nasty." He tried to like taste it with me, and you wasn't feeling it, was he? No, it was nasty.
Super squishy.
Yeah, it was not done right. So we're gonna eat these lamb chops. You know what I'm saying? We're gonna judge around here. So I'm gonna take a bite for y'all so y'all can see, y'all, nice and tender. Okay. Baby, this is so good. This tastes so good.
Is it hot?
You like it? 1 through 10.
1,000.
1,000. I tried to tell y'all. This bad boy good. Okay, so can I tell you the truth now? It's lamb.
What? You said it was cow.
Well, y'all, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notification, hit that thumbs up button, comment down below. Team Ari all day, every day. If you didn't know, now you know. Big things popping, little things stopping. I hope y'all enjoy cooking with me, just catching the vibe. This is what we do. This is not a professional cooking channel, just a series that I want to take y'all on as I'm learning new things that I like, trying new recipes, old recipes, and just getting in the feel of being in the kitchen again. Stay tuned because we have so many things in store coming up. Moving, Daniel's birthday, so many different things that we are going to be embarking on this journey of becoming the woman after God's own heart. I hope y'all are having an amazing day. Comment down below your favorite lamb chop recipe, your favorite size that you would add on to it, and let me know in the comments down below any tricks, tips, or hacks that I can take. Like I said, I don't need the critique. It works for us. If you wouldn't eat it, it ain't for you then. But I love y'all. Have a great day. Peace. Let me get a thumbnail.
It's so good.
It is, ain't
I
it?
don't want 8 pieces. I want 3 pieces.
3 pieces.